Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me, everything, everything, everything. Arcade.
Okay, we're in Haikou. We're gonna walk down that clock tower right there. I'll show you that in a moment. And we're in Haikou of Hainan, and we're in this kind of riverfront. It's also kind of cool. There's this guy who's also painting, varnishing this right here, and he has a supervisor kind of watching him there, which is kind of interesting. But we're gonna be walking, and there's a screwdriver down there, so we're gonna go all the way down and just kind of walk down this and give you an idea of this, another slice of Haikou in Hainan in southern China. We're in Haikou, China, Hainan Island up on the map. And this one is actually Bell Tower. So this is like a river that goes right through where all the cool stuff is at. And I just kind of walk along the waterfront. I got a little bit of interaction with some people. And it's just kind of another taste of Haikou, just so you can get a full idea, more fuller idea of what it's all like. So I have lots of videos. I also have the lyrics. The lyrics will be coming down as well. And without any further ado, let's just walk down the street, do the walk and talk as if you were there yourself. Come on. Join me. Haikou, Bell Tower. So yeah, that's the Belfry Tower, I think they call it. And they're varnishing right there. I guess there's a supervisor who's watching quite closely. There's a screwdriver there, and even a brush and varnish right there. And that's his bike. What happened here? Something must have hit that. Don't know what that would be. Okay, so we're gonna go all the way down and catch it in that Belfry Tower. And we also have some construction over there too. So actually I'm seeing that quite a bit throughout Haikou. Is a lot of construction everywhere. So, hey guys. He said hi earlier. So this is right here, the Belfry Tower, and I think that this one, I was just reading about it, so we're gonna get a little bit closer to it. And I think that this one was 1800s, but we're gonna walk by and see. No fishing, no motor vehicles, no swimming. Okay, so you can see these are for pedestrians. And it looks like he just finished varnishing this one, so this one is completely shiny and clean. And it's off limits, so you don't sit on it. And then these right here are all the lighting. So these lightings would light up the bell tower. And this is actually a major tourist attraction. It actually works. So we're gonna go over there in a moment. Let's just take a look at here first. So now we got a good view of this whole river right here. I think the university is on the other side as well. Okay, let's take a look at the tower. So there's a clock. I think I remember reading about it. So you can see clocks on these two sides, but they're also actually on all four sides. So I think that there was something I was reading about where the merchants at that particular time, there wasn't a consistent time. I don't know exactly the whole story behind it. But this was this made it uniform, so everybody knew exactly what time things were at. Over there's the arcades, all the arcaded streets. So yeah, you climb this bell tower right here. And then this is the information about it. So it was the timing instrument and the clock became out of date. So okay, so 1987 they renovated it. Okay, here it is. So originally it was in the year of Xian Feng, 1858. World's merchant custom port. And then during this time they needed a standard time instrument. So okay, so I guess at that time people would come into the city. So 1858. Haikou clock tower. Let's walk back a little bit. And then that's the whole clock. So you can actually see all four clocks for this tower. Nice palm trees as well. Okay, so we're gonna walk on the other side of it as well real quick. Now you can see all four clocks. And then over there is the tourist area. This is all the arcades across this busy street right here. Then we got some beautiful flowers. And then this right here is volcanic rock. I've been seeing a lot of volcanic rock everywhere in Haikou. So I guess Hainan, I guess, is somehow connected to volcanic. And then those are actually lights up there, but they're like perfectly shaped like coconuts. But there are a lot of coconuts around here too, because this is also called the Coconut City. So those are some genuine coconuts along with those plastic things that are down below. Coconut City, Haikou. And if we kept on walking down, I don't even know what that orange building is all about, but that's kind of interesting as well. But anyways, this kind of gives you another idea of what Haikou is all about. And I think I'm going to be ending this one. Probably going to go across there where all the people are at. But yeah, so this is the riverfront. There's actually an ocean as well, so there's another couple videos I made where the ocean as well. There's a nice little heron going across the skyline right there. I don't know if that's a heron or not, but there's a couple white birds right there. Cranes, maybe? Can you see that? Okay, and with that note, we're going to end this video. So hopefully it's interesting. Another little slice of Haikou for people who don't know exactly what some of these Chinese cities look like.
Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around. Just walk around. I'm Haikou City bound.